text and logo and all that stuff. And this is what I'm going to call my header. Okay, so it doubles for div. I mean, you could just use a div up here, but HTML5, the version of HTML that's currently trending, you can use header, and it does the same thing as the div tag. It just creates another box for you to put some stuff inside. So you could put a logo image in there, for example, and you've got a box in there. If I right click and I inspect, I now have that header box. It's just like a div that I can control. It's my CSS. And just like with header, you might also want to do the same thing down here at the bottom and create a footer. Okay, so you can use those as well. It's just the same as just putting a div there, like that. It's not really any different. It's just more descriptive. So that's optional. You can use header and footer tags. And you don't even have to put them down at the top or the bottom. You could place them anywhere, just like you could place a div anywhere. I could put a footer right here. It wouldn't make much sense, but I could just put some footer tags right there and then populate this with some stuff as well. There you go. Now you have two divs in there, your logo and your footer, whatever you have going on inside of these particular tags right here. Okay, so header, footer, these are just descriptive versions of the div tag. There's also section, there's also article, and so on. So you can read more about all these different types of tags. Again, if you go to this handy website, w3schools.com. Okay, so you can search there for like header tags in your HTML. So if you just search header tags HTML, you should see it right there. And they give you examples, sticking header tags inside of articles and so on. Okay, so you can nest all you want with these tags, and you'll see quite a bit of these div tags all throughout a lot of websites. But just remember, they also have these kind of labeled counterparts: header, footer, section, article, and so on.